Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can disable Do Not Disturb mode on any iPhone. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, friends, and also give this video likes and comments. Let's get down to our topic, friends. I'm going to show you two methods on how you can do this. First, you'll need to swipe from the right side of your iPhone screen from top to bottom. And look, here you'll see the modes right here on this side. And if you have the Do Not Disturb mode enabled, it's going to look like this. So it's going to be the month sign. And then to turn it off, click on modes like this and select any of the modes that you have below. And that way you will turn it off. Also, friends, you can also disable it by another method, and you can also modify it a little bit, this Do Not Disturb mode, that is edit it. To do this, open the settings on your iPhone, scroll down and select the focus section. Next, look, please click on the Do Not Disturb section. And here you can see that you can change this mode in any way you like. For example, you can change the time, you can change other settings, who you can be disturbed by, what people or apps, and so on. So, with this you can adjust your Do Not Disturb mode a little bit, friends, so that you can use this mode more correctly in the future. I really hope that this video was helpful to you. You were able to see exactly how you can disable Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and comment. Bye.